run that test? Yes.
Where am I?
Warning, experiment test escape chamber.
Activating lockdown.
Don't just stand there. Pick up that gun and shoot it!
Freeze!
Oh shoot, I hit someone.
911. What's your emergency?
This alert has been requested by the Avalon Police Department. Multiple cases of civilians getting attacked and also turning into the attackers. Please lock all your windows and doors. Make sure you have enough supplies until unknown days and carry a weapon at all times. Tune into news channels for further notice.